we talked earlier. Why did you need to hire a lawyer?
Because I was hurt. That was, we were hurt in the wreck.
Okay.
And so we wanted to make sure that, the insurance company took care of us.
Okay. And your experience with the Oberg Law Office?
I've had a pretty good experience with the Oberg Office. I got to know the attorney and the paralegal pretty decently.
Okay. And as to recommendation for friends or family members who needs a lawyer?
Family and friends. I would recommend anybody.
Okay. Well, we want to thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us today, and to also for coming to our office, and hope that in the future, if you ever need any assistance, you come back to us.
Oh, I'll be back. Trust me, if I need assistance, I'll be back.
Okay. Thank you.